Epistemology is the study of knowledge. How we know what we know, the justification of beliefs, and the limits of human understanding. In science, epistemology addresses the methods, validity, and reliability of knowledge claims. Ontology concerns the nature of being, existence, and reality. It deals with what kinds of entities exist, and the structure of reality that scientific models attempt to describe. Rationalism. Knowledge arises primarily from reason and logical deduction. Strength can produce universal truths independent of observation. Limitation may disconnect theory from empirical reality. Empiricism. Knowledge derives from sensory experience and observation. Strength, strongly grounded in evidence, ensures theories are testable. Limitation may struggle with abstract concepts or phenomena not directly observable. Skepticism questions the certainty of knowledge, emphasizes critical evaluation of claims. In science, skepticism motivates rigorous testing and critical peer review. Pragmatism focuses on the usefulness of theories rather than their absolute truth. Scientific theories are judged by their practical success and explanatory power. Influence on evaluation. Skepticism encourages constant scrutiny, avoiding dogmatism. Pragmatism emphasizes utility and predictive success over metaphysical certainty. Together, they balance theoretical rigor with practical applicability. Popper. A theory is scientific if it can in principle be falsified by empirical observation. Science progresses by proposing bold hypotheses and discarding those falsified. Kuhn. Science advances through paradigm shifts, periods of normal science interrupted by revolutionary changes when anomalies accumulate. Complement/conflict. Popper emphasizes incremental falsification, while Kuhn highlights discontinuous, social historical shifts. They complement each other by showing both methodological rigor and the broader historical dynamics of science. Scientific models. Idea. Models are built on assumptions about reality, cause and effect, and what exists. Effect. These assumptions shape how we interpret the model. Example. The standard model of particle physics assumes certain fundamental particles and forces exist. Its success depends on these assumptions. Changing them would change how well the model works. The tension between objectivity and constructivism in science. What are the implications for theory development? Objectivity. Science aims for unbiased, observer-independent knowledge. Constructivism. Knowledge is socially and culturally constructed. Scientific concepts are influenced by context, language, and human perception. Implications. The tension affects theory choice, methodology, and interpretation of data. Awareness of this tension promotes reflexivity, pluralism, and careful consideration of theoretical frameworks.